Hi kids! We will be talking about calendar. How many days are there in a week? How many weeks are there in a month? And how many months are there in a year? We will be talking about the calendar for the year 2026. To demonstrate the last days of each month, I will be using my left hand. But look, there are only 5 fingers, and we have 12 months. And this is how. This little finger represents January. This one represents February. Represents March, April, May, June, July. Dahil tag-ulan ang July, we will skip the ravine. We will jump to the next finger. The left thumb represents August, September, October, November, and the last one is December. Lahat ng buwan na nasa taas ay nagtatapos sa 31 days, whereas yung nasa ilalim, ito naman ay nagtatapos sa 30 days except for February. Sa February naman, merong 28 o 29 days, depende sa taon. For the year 2026, 28 days lang ang February.
Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulalat sa math.
Matyaga ka lang, matututo ka rin ng math.